Our topic today is social engineering, a method used by cybercriminals to manipulate individuals into revealing confidential information. It's crucial to understand how to protect yourself from these attacks. First off, always be skeptical. If you receive an unexpected email or message asking for your personal details, don't rush into providing the information. Always take a moment to verify the source before responding. Next, never share sensitive information over the phone, especially if the call was unsolicited. It's quite common for social engineers to impersonate representatives of banks or other institutions to trick you into revealing your details. Also, be cautious of any unsolicited offers that seem too good to be true. These are often baits used by cybercriminals to lure you into their trap. Always do your research before getting involved in any such offers. Lastly, keep your computer systems and software updated. Cybercriminals often exploit known vulnerabilities in outdated software to gain access to your system. Regular updates can help in preventing such attacks. Remember, the key to avoiding social engineering is to stay vigilant and skeptical. Always verify before you trust. Stay safe out there.